Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you with us today. Now, today's video is going to be an absolute blast. Whether you're a seasoned pro or completely new to this, I promise you're in for a treat. But before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss our fantastic content. We've got a ton of exciting stuff lined up for you, and you won't want to miss a single second of it. In an era marked by financial challenges and economic uncertainties, the desire to increase one's income is a common aspiration. Fortunately, there are numerous strategies and opportunities that can help individuals enhance their financial well-being. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, save for a big purchase, or simply improve your financial stability, there are ways anyone can make more money. In this article, we'll explore 8 practical methods to boost your earnings. Embrace the gig economy. The gig economy has revolutionized the way people work. From driving for rideshare services like Uber and Lyft to offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, there are countless opportunities to earn extra money on your own terms. Whether you possess skills in writing, graphic design, coding, or even pet sitting, the gig economy offers flexibility and a chance to monetize your talents. Start a side business if you have a passion or a unique product or service idea. Consider starting a side business. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts on Etsy to launching an e-commerce store. With dedication and a well-thought-out plan, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. Invest wisely. Investing your money can be a powerful way to increase your wealth over time. While it carries some risk, investing can yield substantial returns, especially if you diversify your portfolio. You can explore options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider consulting a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions. Enhance your skills. One of the most valuable assets you have is your knowledge and expertise. Consider taking courses, earning certifications, or pursuing higher education to improve your skill set. A well-developed skill can open doors to higher-paying job opportunities or increase your earning potential in your current role. Freelance or consult if you have specialized knowledge in a particular field. Consider offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. Many businesses are willing to pay for expertise on a project-by-project basis. Whether you're an IT specialist, marketing guru, or a financial analyst, freelancing or consulting can be a lucrative option. Monetize your hobbies. Do you have a hobby or interest that you're passionate about? It's possible to turn your hobbies into a source of income. Whether it's photography, cooking, or playing a musical instrument, there are various ways to monetize your hobbies. You can sell your artwork, teach classes, or even write a blog or create YouTube tutorials to share your knowledge and experiences. Rent out unused assets. If you have unused assets, such as a spare room, a vacation property, or even your car, consider renting them out. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and others allow you to generate income from these assets without a significant time commitment. It's an excellent way to make money from underutilized resources. Save and budget wisely. While it may not directly increase your income, saving and budgeting effectively can free up money you already have. By reducing unnecessary expenses and putting your money into high-yield savings accounts or investments, you can watch your wealth grow over time. Conclusion: increasing your income doesn't always require a complete career overhaul or a windfall of luck. By exploring these 8 strategies, you can take practical steps to make more money. Whether you choose to pursue the gig economy, invest, or turn your hobbies into a source of income, there are options available to suit your unique skills and interests. Remember that financial success often involves a combination of these methods, along with dedication, patience, and smart financial planning. With the right approach and a clear goal, anyone can improve their financial situation and work towards a more secure and prosperous future.